Got a G watch that it's not going to the next cycle. Got it on drain and spin. It's draining, but it won't spin. The lid lock, it's on spin, and it's on lid lock. So I know the lid lock good, but it ain't going. It's not going to the next cycle for it to spin. I got a book that shows the error codes, and I'm gonna put it in on. I'm gonna put it in diagnostic mode, so I can see what the error code is, and look on this book and see what it's telling me. I'm just gonna hold this button, start and pause, and show you how to put it in. And what you do, you hold your start button, and you'll go 7 times. You'll count 7 times, and all these LED lights are on. Well, on blank. But let me put the phone down and do that. I don't know if you can see this, but all the LEDs is lighting up. These 2 light up, and all of these light up. And what you want to do is go one click to the right, and just the spin will light up, and you'll match start. And I don't know if you can see that, but it's wash and spin is lighting up, and you'll keep mashing start. It'll take you to the next error code. But right now, it's showing drain and spin, and up here you can see this is the one it called for. So you go to number 5, and they give you a list: 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so on. But the one I'm looking for is this, and it's the mode. It's calling for the mode shifter, and they give you a description what it can be. And over here, this the description, and this the repair. And 5, if you go down, it'll tell you, check the lid lock. But see, I know it's not the lid lock because the lid lock, it had lock. And if it's the lid lock, it'll be blinking, and it won't lock the lid. So what I'm looking for is the actually the mode shifter test. I got one, so I'm gonna show you how you take that mode shift off. What you want to do, you want to tilt the wash machine back, this lid back on something. Just like that. And what I'm gonna be taking off is this mode shifter here. I think it's a 10 millimeter. You want to go ahead and take your belt off, and you're gonna have to move. You have to take this off. And I'm thinking it's a 1/2 inch, either a 12. Then you're gonna have to take your wire harness off. Not sure if you can test to see if it's working with a multimeter, but I'm gonna check to see. But the error code is calling for that. You can also have a protecting shield like this to come off. I don't had it off, but I think you got like 3 bolts here, here, and one up under there, and this will come off so you can get access to this bottom part here. And always unplug your appliance. Yeah. And this actually a 14. Yeah, once you take these 2 bolts, all this will slide out. And it's got you got the pressing on this to get this out. It squeeze and it come out. Just like that. And you got this spring that comes out too. And I'm gonna put this one on this used. I know this is supposed to work. Come off another washer. And it's kind of hard doing it with one hand. It goes into these grooves and this slides in it. Like this. Make sure you put your spring in there. And they got these grooves. It lines up with these grooves. And it goes in like that. But let me put this foam down and get this on there. And they got these little grooves here. Grooves here goes in and lines up in these holes here. Just like that. You want to make sure these line up these grooves. Can't take it, you can't put it on the back, you got to put it on the correct way. So these splines here match up with these splines. And also these splines here line up with these splines. Make sure it's all the way up.
That's what I like to see right there. A man working, not in the house.
And put this back in the clip. 12mm bolt back here. And then put your belt back on. Run another test and see if that's it. I know that was throwing one code up, but we're gonna see if it's gonna throw another.
Why
Yeah. There it is. Motion. And it's gonna go up on its RPMs.